Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Samsung Wallet versus Google Wallet in 2026. We will understand the pricing, the features, and which one is actually the best payment app for you. So Samsung Wallet is made only for Samsung Galaxy devices, while Google Wallet works on almost all the Android phones. So right away, Google Wallet is more universal, while Samsung Wallet is more device specific. Now both the applications allows you to tap to pay using NFC, store the debit and the credit cards, save the tickets, passes and IDs. Google Wallet focuses more on storing the digital items like boarding passes and transit cards, whereas Samsung Wallet is more focused on the payments and the Samsung service integrations. Now, Samsung Wallet works deeply with Samsung features like Samsung Pass, SmartThings, and Galaxy devices. Google Wallet connects better with Google services like Gmail, Google Maps, and Android system features. So, Google Wallet is available in more countries and it works on more devices. Samsung Wallet is more limited in availability and mostly focused on Galaxy users. Now, both the applications use similar technology like NFC and tokenization for secure payments. So, in real usage, Samsung Wallet can be faster to access with the swipe shortcuts. Google Wallet is simpler and more consistent across the devices. So, the real question here is which one should you pick in 2026? So, you can choose the Samsung Wallet if you use Samsung Galaxy phone and if you are already in the Samsung ecosystem. So you can go with it if you want deep system integration, but you can choose Google Wallet if you want simple and universal payment app, and if you use multiple Android devices or if you travel often. So if this video helped you understand the differences between the Samsung Wallet and the Google Wallet, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.